Hi guys, what's up? Today I, Vinayak Parashar, your chess coach at Chess Junction, is back with a brand new video of the basic series to further strengthen your basics. You can only succeed in chess if your basics are strong. So stay tuned and let's get started. So in this video, I will show you those basic tactics which I bet only some of you would have known earlier. So to start with, let's take interference. In chess, interference occurs when a piece's defense is cut off by interposing a piece in between. In this position, can you find an interference move? You can pause the video and comment down the answer below. Yes, so the move is knight to c6 check. I know most of you must have guessed it right. Now whatever move black plays, he will surely lose material. For example, let us consider king to d6. Now you can simply take his rook on c3 to gain the material advantage. Next, my friends, is the X-ray attack. It's an indirect attack on an enemy piece or an indirect defense through an enemy piece. Let us understand this with one example. Here, as you can see that the bishop on f3 is attacked by the bishop on d5. At the same time, it's indirectly attacking the pawn on b7. By using the X-ray tactic, we can capture the b7 pawn with our knight, and when bishop captures a knight, we can simply recapture the bishop with our bishop, and we are up by a pawn. It goes like knight cross b7, bishop cross b7, and finally our bishop cross b7. Don't forget to recapture, buddies. Let us look at another example for the X-ray attack. You can pause the video and find the best move for white. Yes, so it is queen to e8 check. Even though there is no direct defender for the queen, the rook is indirectly defending the queen through the enemy rook. It's like an X-ray defense. Since it's a check and the black king cannot move, therefore it has to capture the queen with the rook, and we recapture with our rook to seize the game. Rook cross e8, rook cross e8, check, mate. Moving ahead, let's look at deflection. The idea here is to chase away or to deflect a piece from an important enemy square. In this case, for example, black's king is defending its rook. So, if we can move it away from the rook, we can win the rook. So, can you find the move to achieve that? Yes, bishop cross h7 check. Now when the opponent king takes your bishop, you can simply capture his rook on f8. Now let's look at decoy. It's a tactic where you set up a trap for your opponent. It's my personal favorite and soon will become yours too. It's kind of related to deflection. In deflection, we force the opponent to move away from a particular square, while in decoy, we force him to move his piece to a particular square. Such a square where we want to get him to is generally called a poisoned square. So basically, we force the enemy king to play the piece to that poisoned square. For example, in this case, black is totally dominating and there is mate in one move. Can you find a way for white to win this immediately? So think that way. If black's king was on the f8 square, it would have been checkmate with rook to c8. So what should we play to force it to move to that poisoned square? Yes, you guessed this right, friends. Queen to f8 check. And now when king cross f8 is played, we simply checkmate with rook to c8. So this is it, guys, for basic chess tactics. I hope you all must have enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, subscribe and share as much as possible. And in return, we promise we will be back soon with another amazing video. Till then, let's drop that beat.